Meaning of flag waving.
Flag waving.
Flag waving.
Flag waving.
Flag waving. Flag waving refers to the act of publicly displaying one's patriotic fervor or support for a particular cause. The term generally carries a negative connotation, implying that such displays are empty gestures intended to distract from more substantive issues. The result of excessive flag waving can be a superficial or performative patriotism that ignores the complexities of national or social problems. By focusing on symbols rather than substance, flag waving can become a barrier to effective communication and compromise, hindering progress on important issues.